Hi guys, welcome back to Mike Bros. Today I'm going to make a checkerboard pattern on this Rubik's Cube. Now see this Rubik's Cube, it's got 6 colors on each side. And notice how blue's at the front and green is at the back? Well, to do this checkerboard trick, you'll notice blue's in front and now green is right here. See the difference? So you just have to flip the panel over 2 sides like this. So then you get this. Now you just flip it over and do this and this. And now one last time, but with the other side. And voila, you have got yourself a nice checkerboard pattern on a Rubik's Cube. And now I can even change this back to normal, like this. You specifically just do everything backwards. Solved! Now I'm going to try this as fast as I can. Here it goes. Voila! Here's the checkerboard pattern. Now I can change it back as fast as I can. And solved. Well, there we go. That'll be the end of this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more. Bye!